Hey there. Ever wonder how scientists create life-saving drugs? It's like designing a key that fits perfectly into a lock in your body, except the lock is a protein and the key is a molecule. But what if I told you AI is now helping design those keys faster, smarter, and more precisely? Let's talk about MolPIF, a revolutionary tool turning chemistry into a game of digital puzzle solving. So here's the problem: traditional drug discovery is slow. Scientists spend years tweaking molecules to find the right shape and chemistry to target a disease. But even modern AI methods have limits. They often work in a tricky space called parameter space. Think of it as a mathematical map where molecules are built. But these models get stuck, like drivers stuck in traffic, unable to adapt to new challenges. Enter MolPIF, a smarter, more flexible AI approach. Imagine you're drawing a smooth path between 2 points on a map, but instead of roads, you're navigating through probabilities of atomic arrangements. MolPIF doesn't just guess molecules, it learns the rules of chemistry by interpolating between different mathematical distributions. It's like having a GPS that adapts to any terrain, not just one fixed route. Here's how it works. MolPIF treats molecules as a mix of continuous and discrete data. The positions of atoms, which can float anywhere in 3D space, are modeled with Gaussian distributions. Think of them as gentle curves that guide where atoms should go. Meanwhile, the types of atoms like carbon, oxygen, or nitrogen use Dirichlet distributions, which act like a recipe for mixing different chemical ingredients. By blending these, MolPIF creates a flexible framework that can tackle any molecular challenge. But here's the real twist: MolPIF learns from geometry. The team trained it using a geometry-enhanced strategy, inspired by computer vision. They'd randomly hide parts of a molecule during training, forcing the AI to predict missing pieces, like solving a puzzle with some pieces missing. This taught the model not just what molecules look like, but why their shapes matter. And the results? MolPIF outperforms existing methods in key areas. It creates molecules with better binding properties, accurately recreates complex shapes like rings and bonds, and even optimizes drug candidates more effectively. Imagine a model that can tweak a molecule's structure to make it more stable or potent, without trial and error. What's next? MolPIF isn't just a tool, it's a paradigm shift. Think of it as a digital chemist that doesn't just generate molecules, but understands the physics and chemistry behind them. By combining probabilistic modeling with geometric reasoning, it's opening doors to drug discovery that were once unthinkable. Let's zoom out. Consider the 2020 study on 8-methylamino, -2-oxo-1,2-dihydroquinolines, molecules targeting DNA gerase, a bacterial protein essential for replication. Traditional methods struggled to refine these compounds, but AI-driven hit-to-lead generation accelerated the process. By analyzing thermodynamic interactions at the atomic level, researchers could predict how slight structural changes would affect binding affinity. Then there's the 2025 Nature Machine Intelligence breakthrough, where deep learning models enveloped molecules in protein pockets, like a key fitting perfectly into a lock. Tools like Deepfrag let scientists tweak molecular fragments with AI, while Dirichlet flow matching, 2024, used math to design DNA sequences. It's like giving AI a microscope into the atomic world. The results? Mind-blowing. When researchers tested AI-generated molecules, over 70% outperformed traditional compounds in critical metrics. For example, scaffold hopping, a technique that swaps a molecule's core structure, boosted drug-like qualities by 40% in some cases. This isn't just incremental progress, it's a revolution in how we think about molecular design. So what does this mean for the future? MolPIF and its peers are turning chemistry into a data-driven science, where intuition is augmented by computation. From designing antibiotics to tackling cancer, AI is rewriting the rules of drug discovery. The next time you take a pill, remember, behind it might be a molecule shaped by algorithms, not just chance. Thanks for watching. If you want to dive deeper into how AI is reshaping science, hit subscribe. The future isn't just coming, it's being coded one molecule at a time.